how to find your archive on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your archive on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and just click on it and click view your profile. And after you click on it, just click these 3 points here, and then just click archive. And as you see here, you can find your archive on Facebook Lite, and you can restore it if you want, and and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.